Welcome back to Living and Investing in Tampa Bay. I'm going to show you today how to post on Threads by Instagram. To begin, open the Threads app on your smartphone. You may need to download that from the App Store. You'll use the same login for Threads that you do for your Instagram account. So once you have the Threads app open, you're going to tap on the plus icon to create a new post. Now you'll have the option to either take a photo or video directly from the app or select one from your camera roll if photo is what you're going to use. After selecting the desired photo or video, you can edit it by adding filters, adjusting the brightness, or cropping it. Next, you can add a caption to your post by tapping on the text box below the media. You can also use the text button to add some fun and creative stickers or text overlays to your post. If you want to share your post with specific people only, you can choose to send it as a direct message to individual friends. To do this, tap on the send icon next to the friends' names or search for their usernames. You can also choose to share your post with close friends, which is a feature which allows you to create a private group of people that you trust. Post to your close friends, simply tap on the dedicated button labeled Close Friends before hitting send. Remember, you can always adjust your close friends list under the settings of Threads by Instagram. In addition to posting photos and videos, Threads by Instagram also allows you to share your status with your friends. You can set your status to let them know what you're up to or how you're feeling by tapping on the status bar at the top. Within the status options, you can choose from various preset options or create your own personalized status. Looks like you're going to have a lot of fun in Threads. It is very active so far, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you and I both create.